Is your team's code turning into a ticking time bomb? Bad code can cost you $1.3 million a year in maintenance and recovery. That's not a small number. Let's break down how ignoring code quality can quietly bleed your resources dry. A lot of non-technical founders really struggle to judge code quality. They often rely on developers or freelancers who may lack the necessary expertise, leading to significant issues. For instance, consider a Series A B2B startup that hired a freelance developer to expedite their product launch. They met the deadline but overlooked essential security features, resulting in user data vulnerabilities. Fixing such mistakes can cost over $1 million annually, as seen in cases like the 2018 data breach at Facebook, which incurred a $5 billion fine. At GotYourTech.ai, we frequently witness these pitfalls. Bad code doesn't just hurt you up front, it accumulates technical debt that compounds as your company scales. A study by the Project Management Institute found that poor project performance can increase costs by 20% or more. If you ignore code quality, you're setting your startup up for a challenging future. Take, for example, a SaaS company that neglected code reviews. They faced a $2.3 million loss in revenue when their product failed to meet compliance standards. Another example is a fintech startup that saw a 40% drop in user retention due to buggy code. The reality is clear. Neglecting code quality is a recipe for disaster, and the stakes are higher than you think. First off, get your coding standards nailed down. Companies like Google don't just have them, they continuously adapt them to stay ahead. This is crucial for maintaining quality. Next, establish regular code reviews and audits. Startups like Stripe have thrived by fostering a culture of peer reviews, where team members learn from one another's insights. This practice isn't just theoretical. At GotYourTech.ai, we enforce weekly code reviews to ensure our clients' code is robust and secure. Additionally, consider implementing automated testing frameworks. Companies like Airbnb use automated testing to catch bugs early, saving them an estimated $45,000 per month in potential fixes. Another critical step is to invest in ongoing developer training. For example, Notion has established a training program that enhances their engineers' skills, leading to a 30% increase in deployment speed. AWS has also implemented a mentorship program, resulting in a significant reduction in deployment errors. Stick to these principles, and you'll lay the groundwork for lasting success. Remember, code quality is not just a technical requirement. It's a strategic advantage that can propel your startup to new heights. If you skimp on code quality now, you'll spend years fixing the mess later. Don't let bad code hold your startup back. If you need a hand figuring this out, go to GotYourTech.ai. You'll find solid advice on making smart tech decisions and building a code base that actually works. Prioritizing quality isn't just a nice to have, it's what sets up your startup for real success.